welcome to my humble abode. Come on in. We're gonna do a little tour of my crib. It's super classy in here, yo. Come on. This is how I went from trailer trash to trailer class. Get off my lawn! The first room we're going to tour is the room of my daughters. So these walls were not painted whenever we moved in. This room was full of trash, about halfway up the wall. And I repainted it and I put some little cotton candy clouds all over. This is Estella's bed. And that's Willow's bed. We have this beautiful cotton candy rainbow colored clouds rug. And then over here, we have some little things that they've put up. You know, some positive thought affirmations. There is no one better to be than myself. I am enough. I can make a difference. I am proud of myself. Today will be a great day. I can get through anything. I matter. I believe in myself. My challenges help me grow. I get better every single day. A little bit of goals. All right. Moving on to the next room. And I tell you what, you get nice hand-me-down desks and they just ride all over them. I tell you, these little snots these days, grateful for nothing. Nothing. Also, this classy trailer, super classy, comes with an array of stink bugs. These are friends, not foes. Just don't touch them or scare them, because then they will stink. All right, welcome to the next room. This is our bookshelf. And we have some pictures on our wall. Here's our cat tower and our lovely couch. That was an amazing find at the thrift store. There's Olive. And one of my prides and joys, or my pride and joy, is this plant, and it goes all the way here. Goes down to the floor, and then it travels around, you know, into my kitchen. This plant came out of a dumpster at Aldi. I was pregnant with Willow. I was about 7 months pregnant and I pulled it out. And it's just been going strong ever since. So, the bookshelf is handmade. So we didn't pay for that. And then also the little, you know, table, coffee table is handmade. And then you go over here, this little wood feature here, it was not there. Josh built that and put it in for me. And then this is a print that I made of Willow's placenta, which I love. And then our chair, this is Honey's chair. She's always messing up that blanket. You see her out there. Our little shoe rack. And I made the little key holder situation. It says, leave your worries at the door. Remember what you're grateful for. Pick happiness. So this is our living room. And that's Honey's bed. Yes, we have the tree up. Come at me. Come at me. There's also hair. Lots of hair. And lots of holes in the curtains in our classy trailer. We also have rug cats here. All right, now we are going to go into the kitchen. And I could have cleaned the kitchen and made it look a lot cuter, because it can look a lot cuter if it's clean, but we're going to keep it realistic here. All right, I ain't got nothing to hide. People live here. Sarcasm. One more service we offer here, and then the salt and vinegar chips that my children hate, and now I'm stuck with them, so I'll have to eat them. All right, and then a picture my friend made for me. And then this is our trash can. And you can just pull it out. This was gave to us. It's a hand-me-down. And something my daughter found outside, and you know, whatever. This is Honey's feeding and water bowl. She needs water, look at that. Terrible mom. And then that was also made. Curtains were given to us. And microwave was a freebie I found. This cabinet was messed up, so it was free. I just fixed it and it's perfect. It holds our food because there's not a lot of storage in here. The rug and the chairs and the table were all thrifted. That rug was new. I needed some cushion for my feetsies. Juicer thrifted. You know, we got some goodies on our fridge, and this was given to me, thrifted. You know, look at all those dishes, lots of thrifted and gifts. This isn't supposed to be a little curtain thing. I just found it at thrift store and put it up. That little plant holder was given to me. It was a gift. So almost everything in my house is thrifted or given or, you know, made. And I just wanted it to feel like me. Put a little touch of everything here. There was, you know, all these walls have been painted in this house. There was a hole going through this wall over here that we had to patch and close up. This wall said, go F yourself on it. So there was just, you know, it was full of stuff. There was a lot of work here. Found this, painted it. And of course, every classy trailer needs clean clothes. And these are all clean. They have not been folded and put away, but they are clean. Would you just look at that? So classy. The laundry room has not been finished yet. I got to go over this with some more paint. I'm not sure what I'm going to do in here yet. See, I'm just, you know, this is the only area of the house that I need to finish, and I've got a, you know, broom holder situation I'm going to put up there. These were all, this was a thrifted item. I love it. Love it. It's so pretty. This was from Black Mountain, North Carolina. And this artist, she like collects things and takes pictures. It's really cool. I bought that. Thrifted. Aren't they sweet? Thrifted. Now we enter my classy trailer bathroom, where you see fine art from the thrift store. So beautiful. And more fine art from the thrift store. It's crooked. Let me fix it. Oh. Okay, fine art. And every classy trailer bathroom has wipies. You can't be classy with a poopy butthole. Take notes, trashy people. Over here you shall see my wicker laundry basket. This laundry basket came free. It was on the outside of a thrift store with a free sign because it was broke. You couldn't open and close it, so I just replaced the hinges. Installed by yours truly. This was actually new, but I didn't pay for it. My landlord did because they're awesome people and I love them. Over here you'll see an array of a lot of stuff. A lot. The little lady there holding her belly. It is a globe. A friend made that for me. She made the little tray. The basket was a gift. That basket was a gift. That little tray was a gift. The only thing up here that I bought is the accessories. As far as my toothbrushes and my deodorant and the toothbrushes and all that stuff. I bought these. They were actually new, but they were discounted. Look at that class. Friends. All right, going into my room. This is laundry that I need to put away. And I seriously thought about putting it away just so it looked more appealing in the video. And then I was like, whatever. All right, curtains. This little guy was found in a hoarder house that I cleaned out. It's a vintage guitar, thrifted. I made my jewelry holder here. Given to me. The little table, I think I paid $5 for it from Marketplace. And you know, this room kind of stays a little messy because it's my workspace. And so I'm always creating here and there's always stuff going on. This was a gift. I love that. Thrifted, made that. You know, everything's been made or thrifted. I keep saying that, I'm sorry. But yeah, that's pretty much the tour. That's pretty much it. Listen, the whole point of this video was to hopefully give you a few laughs and to empower you, right? Because it doesn't matter where you live. It doesn't matter, you know, if you live in a trailer or a shed, a teepee, I mean, whatever you live in, you just turn it into your home and make it feel comfortable to you. And that's different for everybody. For everyone, it's different. So, you know, sorry, I got a little wobbly there. Just turn your space into your space. That's all. There's no such thing as trailer trash. I used to get called trailer trash a lot. I've grown up in a trailer, you know, spent most of my life in a trailer. And I'm comfortable in, you know, small trailers. This is a 2-bedroom home, 1 bath, and it's good for what I need right now. So you can literally change your space without a lot of money. You can find free things on Marketplace. You can, you know, people are always giving away free things and updating their spaces, and you can find something that feels like you and customize your space. And you could do it at everything in my home is either free, been made, or thrifted. The only things that I bought in this house new were the runner rug in my room, the rug in the living room, and the rug in the girls' room, and their curtain, and my curtains in here over my closet. everything else has been thrifted or made or given to me, you know, repurposed. Everything. So, be proud where you're at. Make it your home. Doesn't matter what kind of home it is. Anyways, if you watch this video until the end, I love you so much. And, you know, please feel comfortable enough to comment. Tell me a little bit about where you came from. And, you know, share some of your experiences struggling with, you know, feeling like where you came from wasn't good enough. Because we've all been there. You're most of us. Anyways, until next time. Bye. Bye. Oh.